Kayla with Ceramic Pro Wiregrass at 1210 West Main Street here in Dothan. We're going to do a shop walkthrough for you all. We haven't done one of these in quite a bit, but we've been slam busy. So welcome into the shop. In the first bay here, we've got the 2026 C8 Corvette Z06, Z07 package with a high wing. It's getting full body paint protection film, full ceramic IR window tint, wheels off package to do the calipers and the wheel barrels. It's also getting Ceramic Pro on the full interior. So the full car is going to be completed with the paint protection film. It's going to stop the road debris, the scratches, the swirls, things you don't want on a car like that. In the next bay, a lot of the same. Interior coatings, window tint, a little bit of paint protection film on the front end to stop the rock chips, of course, and Ceramic Pro Ultimate Ion package, so lifetime nationwide warranty on all the services you're going to see. Next bay here, 2025 Mustang that we're doing some polishing on. It's getting the works, so full front end paint protection film to stop the rock chips and road debris. Ultimate Ion package, some window tint. Sean here is wiping off some polishing compound because we always polish them to prep them. It's all about the prep process. We always wash, iron decon, clay bar, machine polish, isopropyl alcohol, wipe down 3 times, then start our coating process. Of course, in our Ultimate Ion, wheels, glass, plastics, 3 layers on the paint. It's the most durable, long-lasting, glossiest coating on the market. Next coating, a little bit of the same. Film on the front end, Ultimate Ion package, interior coatings on that beautiful Longhorn interior. It's got the beautiful leather seats on the inside. It looks great. All of these vehicles will be done in about 2 days. We always do drop-offs typically on a Monday, pickups on a Thursday or Friday, depending on what all the vehicle's getting. Wild Green 2025 Expedition Platinum. This color looks great. It's getting everything. It's already got the window tint on it. It's getting prepped for paint protection film. You see we took the badge off so that we can put the film underneath. So that's what it's getting prepped and cleaned for right now and debadged so that when we put the film on, we can put the badge back on and that we don't have those lines where dirt can get trapped over time. Full front end paint protection film, full interior coatings with Ceramic Pro Luxe, full IR ceramic window tint, Ultimate Ion package, wheels, glass, plastics, the works. The last bay here, a little bit of everything as well. Got the beautiful Ultimate Denali interior being protected, full front end paint protection film. You see Richie and Nick are here putting some film on the bumper right now. Ultimate Ion coating to protect those beautiful wheels, paint from getting marred and oxidized. We just want to protect these investments. They cost a lot of money. We've also got a couple there in the back that we're working on in the wash bay. And we got a couple outside that we're working on. We got a total of 10 vehicles in right now. But that being said, I've got a full-time staff here that is ready to protect your investment. So if you want paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coatings, give us a call, 334-547-4930, or swing by the shop at 1210 West Main Street. If you want to book your vehicle, or if you want a free quote, go down to the website at www.ceramicprowiregrass.com. Thank you all for the support, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.